Oliver's Magical Forest Adventure. In a cozy little town near the edge of Whispering Woods lived a cheerful boy named Oliver. Oliver loved adventures and dreamed of exploring the mysterious forest behind his house. One spring morning, Oliver woke up early. He put on his red boots and his favorite blue jacket, ready for an adventure. "Today is the day," Oliver declared happily. As he stepped into Whispering Woods, the sunlight peeked through the trees, creating magical patterns on the ground. Suddenly, Oliver heard a soft jiggle, turned quickly and saw a fluffy rabbit waving at him. "Hi, I'm Rosie Rabbit. Want to see something amazing?" "Yes, please," said Oliver excitedly. Rosie led Oliver deeper into the forest, where he met Milo the Mouse and Benny the Bear, who were having a picnic. "Welcome, Oliver. Would you like some honey cakes?" Benny offered kindly. "Thank you," Oliver replied, enjoying the tasty treat. "Let's visit the sparkling lake," squeaked Milo, hopping onto Benny's big shoulders. Oliver and his new friends soon reached a beautiful lake shimmering with rainbow colors. "Why does the lake sparkle?" asked Oliver, amazed. "It's magic," Rosie explained. "It shines because of kindness every time someone does something nice. The lake sparkles brighter." Oliver decided to test it. He picked beautiful flowers and handed them to his friends. "These are for you because you're my friends." Instantly, the sparkling lake glowed even brighter, and everyone cheered happily. Next, Benny took Oliver to meet Zara the Fairy Fox, who lived in a tree house decorated with glowing lanterns. "Hello, Oliver," Zara said sweetly. "I've heard about your kindness. Would you like to make a wish?" Oliver thought carefully. "I wish everyone could visit this magical forest." Zara smiled and waved his tiny wand. Sparkles filled the air. "Your wish is granted. Every child who dreams can visit us in their dreams." As Oliver and his friends continued exploring, they heard a cheerful melody drifting through the trees. Following the music, they discovered Toby the Turtle, who was gently strumming a tiny ukulele by the bubbling brook. "Hello there, friends. I'm Toby," he said warmly. "Join me for a song." Oliver and his friends sang together, their voices echoing joyfully through the forest. After their song, Toby showed Oliver the Enchanted Garden, filled with glowing flowers and butterflies that danced gracefully around them. "Everything here grows because of friendship," Toby explained, showing Oliver the special flowers that only bloomed when friends were near. Feeling inspired, Oliver helped Toby plant new seeds. "These flowers will remind everyone about the magic of friendship," Oliver smiled. Their journey wasn't finished yet. Rosie led Oliver to meet Sammy the squirrel, who invited them into his cozy home high in an old oak tree. "Welcome," Sammy said excitedly. "Let's play some games." Oliver, Sammy, Rosie, Milo, Benny, Zara, and Toby played hide and seek, laughing and having fun until their sides ached with joy. Afterward, Sammy showed Oliver his collection of shiny acorns. Each action is a memory of a friend I've met, Sam explained. He handed Oliver a special acorn. This one is yours, to remind you of this day. Oliver hugged Sammy, grateful for the wonderful memory. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the Whispering Woods, Oliver said goodbye to his new friends. "Come back soon," Rosie called after him. "We will always be waiting," Benny added cheerfully. Oliver walked slowly home, feeling happy and warm inside. When Oliver got home, he eagerly told his parents all about his magical day. That night, Oliver dreamed of Whispering Woods. He knew he would return soon to the magical forest filled with kindness, friendship, and endless adventures waiting just beyond his backyard.